So let's start with the main components and its CPU. And for the CPU is Intel Core i3 10th Gen 10100 with base clock 3.60 GHz and socket for LGA 1200 with 65 watts. This CPU has a 3.6 GHz with turbo boost of 4.1 GHz and the socket LGE 1200 with Intel 400 series chipset. So that's it for the CPU. And for the motherboard is Gigabyte each 470 Auras Pro AX. This motherboard supports 10th Gen Intel Core series processor with dual channel non-ECC and buffered DDR4 with 4 DIMM slots, and it has direct 11 pieces digital VRM solution. And for the advanced thermal design with enlarged surface heatsink, the Smart Fan 5 features multiple temperature sensors and hybrid fan headers with fan stop. The Intel Optane memory ready with onboard Intel Wi-Fi 6 800 2.11ex 2T2R and BT5 with Aura's antenna. So that's it for the motherboard. And for the M.2 or SSD is WD Black SN750 1TB NVMe internal gaming SSD with Gen 3 PCIe and M.2 2280 with 3D NAND, and this is an exclusive WD Black SSD dashboard with gaming mode improves game performance with the available in capacities ranging from 250 gig to 2 terabyte, and for the ideal of for enthusiasts building custom desktops or gaming rigs, the NVMe drive not compatible with SATA interface. So that's it for the M.2 or SSD. And for the RAM is Crucial Ballistics 3600 DDR4 DRAM desktop gaming memory kit with 16 gig, 2 pieces of 8 gig CL16, and system RAM type is DDR4 SDRAM. And this RAM is ideal for gamers and performance enthusiasts with engineered latest AMD and Intel platforms. XMP 2.0 support for automatic overclocking or run at GTX default profile with the modern aluminum heat spreader available in multiple colors to match your system build or style. So that's it for the RAM. And for the case is Cougar Gemini S mid-tower gaming case with a full-size tempered glass cover and an integrated RGB lighting system. This case is integrated RGB lighting. Gemini S features Cougar's exclusive Trilux integrated lighting system. This advanced design allows it to display 14 amazing lighting effects without installing any additional devices in the case and control them through the integrated lightning button. With the Trilux can also work connected to a Cougar Core Box version 2 or to a compatible motherboard's 5B connection for system-wide lightning synchronization. The elegant design with Gemini S brush metal-like front panel gives it a unique look that sets it apart from other compact cases, and a full-size tempered glass side window will allow you to contemplate your system's interior. The great support for components, you won't believe how powerful a gaming vest you can build inside Gemini S. Its advanced support for graphics cards up to 3 400mm long graphics cards will allow you to enjoy the latest games with smooth frame rates. And the top-notch cooling and incredible storage, Gemini S compact layout allows you to install 8 fans and 3 water cooling radiators, with the front and top ones up to 360mm. This immense cooling potential will enable you to choose freely the components you want in your build, up to 3.5-inch HDDs and 5 2.5-inch SSDs or 7 2.5 SSDs will provide you with all the storage you need to install games and store all kinds of media. So that's it for the case. And for the GPU or the graphics card is Zotac Gaming GeForce GTX 1650 Super with twin fan 4GB GDDR6 128 bits gaming graphics card with the super compact GPU or graphics card. This GPU or graphics card is a new turning architecture with 6GB and 192 bits GDDR6, which is a super compact 6.2-inch card, fits 99% of systems with the dual slots 4K and HDR ready with the display port of 1.4 HDMI 2.0B and dual link DVI and the boost clock of 1725 MHz with memory clock of 12 Gbps, and the recommended power supply is 350 watts, and for the power consumption is 100 watts. So that's it for the GPU or the graphics card. And for the PSU or the power supply is EVGA 500GD 80 plus gold 500 watts power supply, 100GD 0500 V1, and this PSU or power supply is 80 plus gold certified with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads with angle 12 volts rail DC to DC converter to improve 3.3 volts and 5 volts stability with active power factor correction, and also it has 5 years and unparalleled EVGA customer support with heavy duty protection including OBF over voltage protection, UBF under voltage protection, UCP over current protection, OPP over power protection, and ECP short circuit protection. So that's it for the PSU or the power supply. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.